In today's digital age, there are different ways to make money online. Whether you are looking for a side hustle or a full-time gig, the internet offers you a lot of opportunities to make some extra cash. In this video, I'll show you 10 ways to make money online in a short time with different examples and the potential earnings for each. The first method is online paid surveys. Online surveys are a popular way to make money online. There are a lot of companies that are eager to give money to people for getting some consumer feedback on different products and services. I've made a video before with great survey websites that you can use to make money online, and you can check it here. There are different companies for paid surveys like Branded Surveys, Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, that you can use them to make money online, and the list can go on. And the earning potential for these surveys could be from $0.50 to $3 per survey. Dedicated survey takers can make up to $400 a month if they do it regularly. The next method that can help you to make money in a short time is to use review websites and apps. There are a lot of companies that need your opinion to improve on their websites and apps, and they are eager to give you money for that. So you can get paid to test these apps and websites and give your insights, and that can be so valuable for these companies to improve on their apps or websites as well. There are different examples for these. For example, you can go to a website called usertesting.com, which you can earn like $10 for each 20-minute review session. And also we have trymyui.com, which is a website that you can get paid to test websites and apps and provide feedback on their usability. The earning potential for this is that testers can earn from $10 to $20 per hour depending on the platform and the availability of testing opportunities. The next method to make money online these days in a short time is searching the web. There are a lot of platforms that reward you for using their search engines and doing their online activities. For example, QMe.com is a website that you can earn rewards for searching on various search engines and completing surveys. And also we can use Microsoft rewards, which you can accumulate points for using Bing, which can be redeemed for gift cards or sweepstakes entries. The earning potential varies for this type of activity, but it can start from a few dollars to $100 per month by just doing the activities and searching in their search engine. The next method is watching videos and earn money. You can get paid to watch videos by watching video ads and also the viral videos. There are websites like swagbucks.com that you can earn points by watching videos, which can be exchanged for cash or gift cards. And also another website is inboxdollars.com that can actually pay users to watch videos, take surveys, and complete different tasks. The earning potential is different. You can earn from few cents to a few dollars per day depending on the time you spend on watching these video ads. The next method is selling your old clothes. You can actually declutter your closet and sell your unwanted clothes and make money with that. There are different websites that offer this service. For example, you can go to ebay.com, which is a well-known platform for selling all kinds of items, including clothing. And also there is another website, depop.com, which is a fashion marketplace app where users can buy and sell secondhand clothes. Another website is Vinted.com, which is a dedicated website to selling pre-loved clothing and accessories. The earning potential depends on the brand or the quality of the clothing you are actually selling. You can make from $5 to $50 per item and even more for high-end brands. The next method you can make money online is selling your course notes. If you are a student and looking for some cash, you can sell your course notes to others who need it. For example, there are websites like nexusnotes.com, which you can upload and sell your course notes to other students. There is another platform called estuvia.com. It's just a way to sell your study notes, summaries, and guides. The earning potential depends on the quality of the notes and depending on the subject, but you can make something from $5 to $30 per set of notes. Another method that you can make money online is review music for money. If you are a music lover, you can give your opinion on new and unsigned bands and artists online and get paid for that. For example, there is a website called slicethepie.com that pays users to review and rate new music tracks. Earning potential is not that much, but it's a good way to earn some cash. Reviewers typically earn from 2 cents to 20 cents per track, And with consistent efforts or a consistent listening, you can make up to $50 per month. Now let's go to the next method, which is selling second-hand textbooks. You can actually buy textbooks cheap and sell them much higher at the beginning of an academic year. With the famous website Amazon.com, you can go and sell your used textbooks through Amazon's marketplace. And also there is a website called Book Scouter where you can compare buyback prices from various vendors to get the best deal. The earning potential is different for this, but it depends on the condition and also the demand of the market. But you can make from $10 to $100 per textbook. Now let's go to the next method, which is entering competitions. You can actually enter different competitions and price draws and have a chance to earn money and also different rewards. There are different websites that offer this. For example, a website called Prize Rebel offers various ways to earn points, including participating in prize draws and competitions. And also we have this prizefinder.com, a directory of free competitions and prize draws that you can use to find the best ones you like. The earning potential is different for different competitions. The regular participants can make from a few dollars to a few $100s every month. The last method in this video is get paid to websites. These GPT websites can reward you for doing different online activities like surveys, watching videos, and shopping. For example, a website inboxdollars.com is a great website that users can earn money by completing surveys, watching videos, and playing games. The earnings can be really different depending on the activity or the game you are playing, but you can earn something from $50 to $200 per month by using these different online fun activities. So if you are really willing to make some extra cash online, so there are different activities and you can find those that align with your skills and your interests. I appreciate you watching my videos until here, and if you like the video, please go ahead, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.